All right, so today I have an Adidas collaboration that is probably the most sought after of all of the Adidas sneakers this year, which is crazy to even think about. But I think this one has the highest resale value of anything that's dropped. Let's go ahead and get into this video though. Adidas Bad Bunny collaboration. What is going on, guys? Hes here, collectivekicks.com. Hopefully you guys are having a good day out there. And if you guys would like to subscribe to the channel, feel free to do so. It's free to do. Big shout out to Kicks World for supplying the sneakers to me. This is a pair of sneakers that I really wanted to get my hands on. I actually reached out to some people over at Adidas to try to get them, and they couldn't secure them for me either. But it was one of those ones where I was like really interested in the collaboration because it's just one of those shoes that I saw the images of, and I love this colorway specifically with the browns and the earth tones and everything else. But I was just really intrigued by what Bad Bunny did to this shoe. At first images, like, you probably don't really get as much of an appreciation because it looks like more or less a Forum, but like a higher end Forum that has a little bit more, you know, bells and whistles on it. And that could definitely be what you could say about the shoe. But I think that there's some added details of this that even make it better. So because of that, I wanted to go ahead and do a video of these. So Kicks World is actually a sneaker rental service. And I know some people, corny, but you know what I mean? For real, there is some good use cases for you to potentially be interested in this product. It's not going to be necessarily for everybody at every single time, but graduations are coming up or summer vacations. If you want a shoe where you can actually wear the shoes and then go on vacation and then 30 days later send them back, I mean, this is a really good opportunity for you to do something like that. And they really do mean wear your shoes. If you read in their fine print, you can wear them. If you get some scuffs, creases on the shoes, that's natural wear and tear. And they expect that when you're renting the sneakers. And for you guys specifically out there watching my videos, you guys can save 30% off of your first month with Kicks World. So even sweeter deal for you guys interested in trying to rent something. The other thing is, if you don't know the size to get, a really good option is to get the shoes rented and then try them out. Like, use these as an example. Let's say I rent this shoe. I know that I'm a size 9, 9.5. This is a size 9. I was taking a gamble by going down half a size because it's a little bit cheaper than going up a half a size. I went with a size 9 and it actually fits me just right instead of going up a half a size. Now, let's say the next colorway releases of this Bad Bunny collaborations with Adidas, and you get the wrong size because you didn't know what correct size you were. It's just a use case that over the years, you know, you get different models that end up releasing in different colorways. And although you might strike out at retail on one, you might actually hit at retail on another one. And I know some of you guys for sure end up getting the wrong size of a shoe that you really wanted to wear all the time. So it's just another option. I'm not saying this is one of those things that everybody should do all the time, but there's some really nice use cases for Kicks World. And I think that is the one premier rental sneaker service that has made it this far. And I think it's going to keep on growing. So I'm there for it. And these are exceptional. So really cool to get these in hand. But this is the box. It has the Bad Bunny little logo right there. It says Bad Bunny on the sides. Definitely a premium feeling box, like a harder cardboard. Inside the box is some cool little goodies too. You do have a sneaker bag right here, which is kind of nice. Has the logos on it as well. You do have 2 additional sets of laces. You have a blue and a greenish set. It's kind of like a lime green. And then something that's really cool that I didn't even know was a thing is you have 2 interchangeable tongues. Like, these are like tongue guards that actually clip on and snap in to the tongue that's on the shoe. And then you can change it up. So it can be more of a utility look with the extra nylon, or you can just do the more plain one with the little stitching on it here. So it changes the color a little bit of the tongue, but also you can just rock it without anything right there as well. It does give it like a crazy fat tongue effect on the shoe, which I really like. The shoe inside and out is definitely a premium product. Like, the premium suede on the shoe is nice. Just the overall stylings of this, I don't know how he came up with this. I didn't look into all the details of what he did to create this. But I mean, I love the little pull tab on the back here. It has a little lace holder thing right here on the pull tab and the back. I don't think there's any functionality to this, but it just is a nice little hardware piece that makes it look cool. And then right around the collar, there's a really big, huge fat cushion section and kind of like a nylon type material. Again, another addition where it's like, how did they do that? But also, it makes this look so much cooler than just a regular Adidas Forum. There's a little heel pad right here for like the Achilles, and it's kind of leather backed as well. And just another little layer where it's an additional thing that they added in. Adds a nice effect to it and has some functionality to it as well. The details on this is actually pretty exceptional. You have the blue on the Adidas logo on the tongue, which also matched the additional set of blue laces. But the other thing is you could see it comes with a strap as well. So there's 2 different ways to actually remove these. You can push the metal buttons here and actually opens the strap up. But if you want to, you can actually remove the Velcro and completely take that off as well. So if you want to wear it with a strap on, this is ridiculous. If you want the strap here, you can wear it here. Otherwise, you can take it off and then wear it with it off as well. So, yo, let's calm down a little bit. Calm down a little bit. Anyway, suede's on the side, 2 different tones, 2 different colors on that. Then you have leather underneath the 3 stripes. And then also a different color of leather, but a nice quality leather strip right here with the laces. You also have leather on the toe box. It's nice and smooth and buttery. But even more stuff that they did to this to make it just that much more like rugged and just cool feeling is they did like a reinforcement around the shoe in a rubberized material. So I don't recall seeing this on the other forums, but it's a nice extra layer. And then you have the gum rubber with some like camel colored stitching through that all the way around. Then a darker outsole here with a dark brown, like a chocolate brown, with the Bad Bunny logo and that clear blue, like ice blue. And then the camel color right here in the middle of the shoe as well. So this pair in my size, like 9.5, is sitting around $900, which is insane. Like, so I don't remember what was retail on these things. So retail was 160 on these, man. So the third colorway is dropping. I don't know when it's dropping, but it's dropping soon. And my eyes are definitely peeled. I definitely want to try to hit on that black pair because it's a really, really nice, well-made pair of sneakers. To me, like it was a sleeper pair because I didn't know that the hype was there for this sneaker. It grew exponentially, I think, even after the drop. Like it was going for 4s at some point, and then now it's up to like double that, and 8s and 9s and stuff. So did you guys get the Bad Bunny collaboration, the forums here, or not? Is it something that you were not interested in, but now you kind of are? I think that this is probably, again, correct me if I'm wrong, if there's another shoe that has a higher resale value than the retail value from Adidas this year, please drop a comment in the comment section of what those are, because as far as I know, these are the highest ones to hit the market, man. Really, really crazy. And the Adidas form in general has been super dope. I have the Duff Beer version and just a regular GR version as well. That's really nice. But I think it's been one of the sleepers, and I think it's been kind of like a piggyback to that Nike Dunk. It's a great alternative to a Nike Dunk if the hype on that is just too much and you can't get your hands on a pair of those. On the box, it says the Bad Bunny form, the first, and it's the first of 3, at least. They've had a pink colorway, and the black colorway is the one that I'm looking forward to. But anyway, thank you to Kicks World for sending these over. Link in the description if you guys want to go over to Kicks World, 30% off your first month to try it out. They have different tiers and stuff. The site is very self-explanatory, very easy to read through, so worth checking it out if you guys want to just explore the current market prices and how much it would be to rent a specific shoe. It's fun to be able to look at. But thank you again for watching the video. Have a good rest of the day, and hopefully we'll see you guys back here for some more sneaker videos. All right? Peace, guys.